In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music across slides in PowerPoint. If you want a single track to start on the first slide and keep playing as you advance, this walkthrough will set it up in just a few clicks, plus a couple of optional tweaks so it feels polished. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and the presentation you want to enhance. It's a good idea to save your file first. When you add audio, PowerPoint typically embeds it in the presentation, but keeping a copy of the music in the same project folder helps with organization. Common formats like MP3 or WAV work well. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, choose Audio, and then select Audio on My PC, or it might say this device depending on your version. Browse to your music file, select it, and click Insert. PowerPoint will drop an audio icon onto the slide. Click that icon so it's selected. Selecting it is what reveals the audio controls you'll need. With the icon selected, look to the top of the window for the Playback tab. This tab only appears when the audio is highlighted, and it's where all the key settings live for background music during a slideshow. Under Playback, change Start to Automatically so the track begins as soon as the slideshow opens. Then check Play Across Slides, which tells PowerPoint to keep the track running as you move forward. If you want the music to repeat for a longer talk, turn on Loop until stopped. The track will restart seamlessly when it reaches the end. To keep your slide design clean, you can also check Hide During Show so the audio icon doesn't appear while presenting. You'll still be able to control playback with your keyboard if needed. If you need to fine-tune levels, open the volume menu on the same tab and choose low, medium, high, or mute. Aim for a level that supports your message without overpowering narration or voiceover. Remember, your computer system volume also affects what your audience hears. Finally, test everything. Go to the slideshow tab and choose from beginning. Confirm the music starts on the first slide, continues smoothly as you advance, and behaves the way you expect. Press Escape to exit, make any adjustments, and test again until it feels right. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.